Yo, what's good, homies at home? That's your boy RC here. Get ready to get into this video by Meech on Mars and Dope Island, Meech and Low, called The First Time Brother of Nature saw Canela. Can't wait to get into it. These guys right here, Meech on Mars, Forever My MCM, Dope Island, they are both cool, entertaining, hilarious. I love their videos, and I can't wait to get into it. It seems like they're trying to upload on a consistent basis more often, but if they do, I can't wait to react to their videos and check them out. Hopefully y'all enjoy this too. Let's hop into it right now. Like I said, these guys are funny, entertaining. I can't wait to check it out. I thought my intro was long. Okay. They go on 25 seconds. Mine's is like 15 flat.
Hell no.
I'm bored as shit. But I fuck with the woods, bro.
You know what I'm saying? I remember when you used to.
I ate some grass yesterday. I threw up. This shit ain't hitting no more, man.
Oh shit. Look at that deer right there.
Man, I used to be eating berries in this bitch.
Gotta make him my friend.
Hey, I'm about to eat this tree.
What?
That's bro. Listen, bro.
Oh, God.
Times ain't that bad,
Oh,
bro.
God.
Times ain't that bad.
Oh,
Bro. I
God.
swear to God, times ain't that
Try
bad, bro.
some bark.
I gotta give him a name.
Yeah, hit.
She look like Canela.
I'm fed up, man.
Hey girl.
We need some food,
Hold
man.
on, whoa.
What?
Canela.
Oh, who the fuck is Canela?
Who the fuck?
Who the fuck is
Hey,
Canela?
what's that in his hand?
Got your little apple.
Hey, go over there, man. Go over there.
Try that. It's that good stuff.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you been bugging, man.
Oh,
Hey.
Yo, I think she likes it. I think we friends. Hold up.
What?
That might be my girl Canela right there.
I don't know who the fuck Canela is, bro. With this shit.
Yo, Canela, you want a little bit more?
What's poppin'?
Yo, Canela! We finna get Canela thick as hell. Look at her. She love that. She love that.
What in the world?
Hold up,
Okay.
Canela, look at your friend. You think your friend wants some too? Hold up. Here you go, girl.
God damn.
Yeah! Yo, I'm the deer whisperer, bro. I don't want to hear nothing from nobody, bro. Check me out, man. Check me out, man. I got the doors on lock. Yo, holla at me. Holla at me, man. Look at my doors, man. Look. Hey, love that.
I'm hungry as fuck. What about you? You hungry?
I guess.
I'm hungry as fuck.
All right, yeah.
My stomach going
Oh, shit. Hold up.
What they doing
What's
over there?
that?
Got a party going crazy.
They tripping.
nigga. Shit.
Hey.
Look at them boys back there. Look at them bucks. Hey, I bet y'all ain't had no grapes before, man. Hold up. Let me make a little grape party for 'em.
Hey, what's that? This nigga just made it rain grapes.
Y'all ain't never had them green seedless grapes before, man. You ain't ever had that before. Hey,
This is too funny. I don't know what this is, but this is funny. Like, these guys are entertaining. I love their videos. This is just... Let's go ahead and get back to the video. Like I said, I'm not going to pause it too much, but let's go ahead and get back into it.
And I'm
First
gonna
time I
need
actually
money.
paused the video.
cause he look like money. Look at him. Yeah. Get that, my boy? Yeah. Shit, check me out, man. The whole deer squad. Look at them. They hungry as hell. Hey, stop fighting. Stop fighting.
I'm hungry as fuck.
All right now. Relax.
Bloopers. I love the blooper
I'm like,
reel.
damn, niggas live here.
Bro, I would do that. I'm do that. I just could not stop laughing.
Okay.
I gotta go and cry. This nigga hit this.
That's why I love the blooper reel, because it's funnier than the actual video. You get the video, then you get the blooper reel. It's funny. It's entertaining. They remind me of Smosh. That's what it is. They are funny like Smosh. And I knew about Meech on Mars and Dope Island before I did Smosh. Now let's go ahead and... I want to hear what he said. With the great panel.
This nigga hit this.
What is that? Wow.
When was the last time you ate? When was the last time you
Nigga,
ate?
I ate since you ate.
Damn. You hungry too, huh?
I've been hungry my whole life.
Oh,
What is
that's-
that over there?
We gotta restart.
Good nutritional fruits all day, baby. You see it. Canela's a savage, bro. She just took that apple from me. She don't care. She don't care. We gonna get her thick. Boys back here. Look at them bucks. Hey, I bet y'all ain't had no grapes before, man. Hold up. Let me make a little grape party for 'em. Yeah. Y'all want them grapes? Yeah. Y'all ain't never had them green seedless grapes before, man. You ain't ever had that before. Hey, and I'm gonna name him Money. Cause he look like money. Look at him. Yeah.
Hey, caught this bitch. Hey,
Oh, they making
shit.
it red.
He gon' hey,
They making it red.
Hey.
Oh, he hit me in the cheek.
They stupid. Oh my goodness, but funny type stupid. This is just
Bro.
all those grapes gone to waste for comedy, but it's still good.
Why do we do this?
It's like I'm not even acting anymore, my nigga. This bitch slap. This bitch is delicious, my nigga. It's just great.
Oh man, that is too funny. That is too funny. Yo, these guys are entertaining. If you haven't subscribed to them, which I suggest y'all do if y'all haven't, subscribe to them. They're at like, what, 210,000 subscribers. I remember when they just started their channel, and there was like around, what, 40, maybe 50,000 subscribers. When I started watching their videos again, I was like, they went from Vine, because we all know how Vine died. Vine shouldn't have died. I mean, Vine was awesome. But that's where I knew them from. And when they started their own channel, like here, like together, I knew it was going to be funny. Because I subscribed to Meech on Mars' channel and Dope Island's channel. I'm like, when they came together and they combined their channels, I knew it would be good. But hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I know I did. Be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share. And until next time, much love. Stay cool, y'all. Peace.